Hey everyone, this is Alpaco, and this is how to make bokeh shapes for Valentine's Day photos, or really for anything. It's just fun to do. You'll need a UV filter, some tape, a dark material. I'm using Cinefoil, but you can easily use anything, including some electrical tape. And you'll need some scissors. Cut the shape out of the material. The cover has to be pretty small, so you'll have to play around a bit to get the size correct. Tape the cover onto the filter. Make sure there's no area on the filter that can leak any light. I remade another cover because the last one was much too large. It has to be almost pinhole sized. Here's what it looks like. Now, just to note, you're going to want to use something that's 40 millimeters or something more telephoto to get the best effect. My settings are listed in each photo I take. You can make some interesting photos and even make some awesome looking product photos, or just some pretty photos for yourself. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.